Hello, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and good at home and you enjoyed your holidays well with your family. So, now it's time to get back to our studies again. So, in the last video, I have given the revision work. I hope I have revised the chapter number 1 and 2. Now we will move to the third part. But before going to the third lesson, I will give you the syllabus of first term. The first term syllabus is, please take out the content page. This is the content page. Can you see this content page? Now, chapter number 1, that is changes in the family. Chapter number 2, changes in the neighborhood and school. Then third chapter is community helpers. Next chapter is caring for others, and the last chapter is being safe outside. So this is the first term syllabus. Why I am giving you this? So that you can start revising again, and I hope you have learned also. In the holidays, maybe not fully you have learned, but from the videos you have learned the revision part. At least you can revise the chapter once again, and please now start learning the question answers, the exercises part, and the word meaning also. So today I will give you just a small summary about community helpers. Now, community helpers. Human beings usually cannot live alone. They live together in a community. A group of people who live in the same place and who have some characteristics in common is called community. So we all live in a community, and what is community? A group of people who live in same place and who have some characteristics in common, that is called as community. Now, what are community helpers? A person who provides an essential service that makes the lives of the people living in a community comfortable is called community helpers. Examples: soldiers, farmers, teachers, doctors, policemen, firefighters, and many others. So these are the community helpers who are helping in many other ways to make our life comfortable. Now, the first one is the soldier. Who is a soldier? You all know soldiers protect our country from the attacks of terrorists or enemies. Right now in the news also we have heard about the India and China. So, and in that case some soldiers have also died. So this is the current news which can relate to this topic. Then second one is farmers. Farmers grow food for us. The vegetable, fruits we buy from the market, and the rice, wheat we get from the grocery shop, all are grown by the farmers. So they are very important part in our life. Then how do they grow? They grow the field, then they plow, they grow, then this plowing is being done, then they harvest it, and then they take the thing into the vehicle, and then they go to the shopkeeper to sell it. So this is the life of a farmer. Then the teacher. Teachers play the very important role of helping us learn many things. A teacher teaches in a school or in a college. A person who teaches at home is also a teacher. Your mother is also a teacher because she is teaching you. A teacher gives us the right values that help us to become good human beings, and they help in shaping the future of each child and also the future of the country. Then doctors. Doctors look after the health of the people people living in a community. Doctor take care of us when we are ill. Doctors work selflessly in treating people, helping them get better and saving their lives. Without doctors, it would be very difficult for people to overcome their illness, lead healthy lives. Without doctor, it is very difficult for us to live a healthy life. Then the next is the policeman. The police working in the the person working in the police department form a very important part of our community, and they help us in arresting the thieves, the robbers. The duty of the traffic police is to ensure the smooth movement of the traffic. When we go on roads, the traffic men are taking care of the traffic so that the movement of the on the road should be very smooth. Then firefighters. Firefighters work to extinguish big or small fires. They wear special gear and uniform to work in extremely dangerous condition. They are doing very dangerous job. Firefighters rescue people who are trapped inside the buildings in fire. So firefighters are also doing the very good job, but it is very difficult and dangerous also. Community helpers. So these are the main ones who are cleaning the community. They are taking all the garbage from our homes and they dispose in a proper disposals. So community helpers are also the important community helpers. These community cleaners are also a community helpers because they clean the community where we are living. They are cleaning the cities, and so that any illness, anything could not come in any of the city. Then dignity of a labor. We should always respect all kinds of work, and all are the community and all the community helpers who do different kind of work to ensure that the community stay healthy, stay fit, and can deserve the well. We should always respect them. We should give them the respect we give to each community helper for the work he or she does is called the dignity of labor. This is very, very important. You should know what is dignity of labor. Then safety against exploitation. If the children are working in a particular shop or a thing, and if they are less than the age of 14 or 18, then this is a child labor act and this should be prohibited. So children should not children should not work in less than 14 or 18 years of age. It is very important to protect the little children and inform the police whenever we see someone exploiting a child and treating him or her badly. Little children can be protected and can be kept safe only if each of us stay aware and try to prevent their exploitation. So this is the normal lesson which we have read, and value is given. We should treat all community helpers with love and respect. Without their help, our lives would not be comfortable at all. So this is the most important value which we get from this chapter, that is community helpers. Now read the recap lines and learn the glossary part. That is the main thing. You have to learn all these meanings, this glossary part, the fill in the blanks, this true false, and the question answers. You have to learn it. Then I will be taking a short surprise test anytime. 1 day prior notice I will be giving you for what chapter I will be taking the test. So start learning from today if you have not started yet. Till then, thank you and have a nice day, children.